Curious about the 2025 Genesis GV60's advanced cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Ever wondered what those warning lights and symbols truly mean? In this video, we'll decode each alert, explain their significance, and guide you on the right actions to take when they pop up. Stay informed and drive with confidence. Interior view. The dashboard features a minimalist, high-tech design with a large digital display, ambient lighting, and intuitive controls, creating a modern, user-friendly cockpit experience. The display features a high-resolution digital interface with customizable layouts, providing real-time vehicle data, navigation, and safety alerts for enhanced driver convenience and safety. The cluster offers a sleek, fully digital layout with adaptive display modes, showing key information like speed, navigation, driving modes, and safety alerts with high clarity. The climate control system includes dual-zone automatic temperature control, air quality sensors, and customizable settings for optimal comfort and air circulation throughout the cabin. The 2025 Genesis GV60 boost drive delivers an exhilarating performance with a power boost mode, increasing output to 483 horsepower for 10 seconds, ensuring rapid acceleration and dynamic driving. The steering wheel features a heated, leather-wrapped design with integrated controls for audio, cruise, and hands-free communication, offering both comfort and convenience. The gear selector dial offers a sleek, rotary design for seamless shifting between drive modes, enhancing both style and ease of use with a smooth, intuitive operation. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators, seatbelt warning light, airbag warning light, parking brake, anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution system, motor-driven power steering, high voltage battery level, charging indicator light, power down indicator light, service warning light, emergency steering warning, master warning light, electronic parking brake, low tire pressure, forward safety indicator, lane safety indicator, LED headlight warning, icy road warning, electronic stability control off, immobilizer indicator light, turn signal indicator light, high beam indicator, light on indicator, high beam assist indicator, auto hold indicator, regenerative brake warning, low beam indicator light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.